Hi friends, this is Susmita and welcome to Indian Beauty Queen channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how to prepare your own DIY cleansing milk at home similar to market products like Ayur cleansing milk. So in this lockdown situation, it is very difficult to purchase beauty products. So today I'm going to share this DIY. If you're interested, then keep on watching. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon to get notified about every latest video update. Ingredients you need to prepare this cleansing milk are any moisturizing lotion. Here I am using this Pond's triple vitamin moisturizing lotion, or you can also use any moisturizing cream. Next you need baby oil, glycerin, and final ingredient you need is rose water. So these are all the ingredients you need to prepare this cleansing milk. Now let's move on to the process. Take any mixing bowl and add sufficient amount of this moisturizing lotion. Here I am preparing this for one-time use, so I have taken this much quantity of moisturizing lotion. Next add rose water. You can use whatever brand you like, but I trust Banjara's rose water, so I am going to add 1 tablespoon of rose water. So after adding rose water, give it a very good mix. Next I am going to add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E, this baby oil. If you don't have baby oil with you, then use almond oil. Mix it once, and next I'm going to add glycerin. If you are having oily skin, don't add too much of glycerin, just add 3 to 4 drops of glycerin, that's it. And our cleansing milk is ready. Now let us test and see how it actually works. Now I'm going to swatch my lipstick on back of my hand. Now with the help of cotton, I'm going to clean this lipstick. Actually, I'm going to dip this in this mixture and going to remove it. I'm not applying any pressure, very light-handedly I'm going to remove it. So you can see how easily it's going to remove my lipstick. So it actually works similar to that of market products. I hope this video may be helpful for you guys. And if you like my channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, see you, bye.